it's Candicia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a few bun hairstyles for curly hair. And I'm actually going to be using Design Essential products. And the first one I'm using is the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Now, some days I don't like to wear my hair in a wash and go. Sometimes I want to have it up and out of my face. And I find that doing buns is one of my favorite things to do. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I also want to say thank you to Design Essentials for partnering with me on this video. So I'm going to use the mousse to actually slick down my hair. So I'm going to put it along my hairline. And I'm actually going to use a brush. And I'm going to brush my hair back. So this first bun is very easy. First I just gather my hair to the top of my head and then I twist the remaining hair around. And then I just twist it around kind of in a bun formation. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. I honestly am pretty lazy when it comes to hairstyles, so I don't make them perfect. But if you want to, that's perfectly fine. So then I take an elastic and just wrap it around the bun that I make and just kind of fix it to the way that I like it. And then this is the first bun hairstyle. It's super easy, super quick, and pretty much takes no effort. So the second bun is pretty much the same, but I'm just going to gather my hair to the top of my head again. And then I'm going to take the elastic, and this one might be a little tricky to explain, but I'm going to first wrap it around my hair, twist the elastic, and then bring it all the way around the bun, so kind of gathering hair along with it. Then I kind of spread out the hair to kind of make it fit the way that I want it to. So this is how the second bun looks. Again, super easy. Hopefully the way that I explained it isn't too complicated. So the final bun has to be one of my favorites. So again, I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna just smooth my hair and make sure that it's pretty sleek. Now this one can be messy, but I prefer this one to be as sleek as possible. So I'm just gonna take my hair elastic and just tie it around 3 times to make a ponytail. Now I tie it around 3 times just to make sure that my hair is secure underneath. So you kind of actually make kind of like a pineapple. So now I'm just using a bun maker. And I know these used to be so popular back in the day, but I actually love using them. So I just put it to the top of, well, the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to just fold it downward. And that will just fold the hair in with the bun maker. Now, obviously, not all of my hair got into the bun maker, so I'm just going to tuck my hair into that little bun formation. So I'm just going to continuously tuck all the way around, so just kind of evenly tucking and making sure that all the hair gets into the bun. So hopefully you guys understand that. I'm just going to kind of speed this up here so then you guys can see what it looks like. And again, I'm just tucking and tucking away. Next, I'm going to take the Coconut and Manoy Curl Defining Jelly, and I'm actually going to use this as an edge control. Now, I know this isn't a traditional edge control, but I actually really like this product. It doesn't make my hair flake. It honestly leaves my edges so soft, and you guys are going to see how easy it is to style my edges with this product. I actually found it was a super amazing product for it, and I'm definitely going to use it in the future. Now, I'm not the best person when it comes to edges, and honestly, I don't do too much when it comes to my edges, but I just kind of swoop it and also use my fingers to kind of help guide the brush so that I can get it to how I want it. So do you guys see the difference? Like, my hair looks so slick back compared to the other side. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this so then you guys can see how both sides look with this product. I know, super easy, right? Now my hair looks so sleek, it looks so shiny, and it actually dries down really nicely. And like I said, there's no flakes with this product, so I absolutely love it. And this is definitely one of my go-to bun styles. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye!